Honestly, dito sa Your Skin Aesthetics, it's a place where excellence meets the mastery of aesthetic medicine and treatment. They empower future aesthetic experts with precision and excellence. So ako po si Wilson S. Lanario, a registered nurse and a clinical instructor at Tarlac State University. Actually, it's a recommendation from my friend who owns House of Brows. So sabi niya, mag-enroll ka sa Your Skin, try mo. Based from the feedbacks and the recommendations of our friends na nasa medical field, maganda daw yung turo nila dito sa Your Skin. Actually, nag-sinking sa akin yung sinabi ng lecturer namin on the first day. Sabi niya, aesthetic is more on longevity and regeneration, medicine. Hindi lang kailangan na may sakit ka, may illness ka na kailangan mo magpa-check up, kailangan mo rin magpaganda, kailangan mo i-prolong yung life mo. So, lahat ng yun, nasolve natin sa pamamagitan ng aesthetic treatment. Honestly, dito sa Your Skin Aesthetics, it's a place where excellence meets the mastery of aesthetic medicine and treatment. They empower future aesthetic experts with precision and excellence. Talagang napaka-hands-on ng mga staff, napakabait, approachable. So, yung 8 weeks training namin dito, sobrang dami ko natutunan. Sabi ko nga, nasa medical field ako, pero lahat na natutunan ko dito is brand new talaga sa akin. Huwag na kayong mag-atubili, mag-enroll na kayo sa Your Skin Aesthetics Academy. Dito, hindi na lang nila kayo tuturuan kung paano yung mga laser treatments, bagkus ituturo din nila the science behind that, which is the most important thing. Lalo na pagdating sa medical field, dapat lahat ng procedures na ginagawa natin is scientific based. Hindi mo lang pwedeng sabihin na para sa ganito, para sa ganyan. Kailangan alam natin kung paano siya nag-work, kung paano siya makakatulong sa mga future clients natin dito sa Your Skin.